Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. My voice clear? Please tell me my voice clear or not. Is there any lag? Good evening, everyone. Please tell me, is there any lag in the video? My voice clear or not? Please inform me. Is there any lag in my video or not? Is my voice clear? Tell me quickly. My voice clear or not? Can you hear me properly? Can you hear me properly? Okay, so today you came with your name proper. So have you checked all the answer key? Have you checked all the answer key? Okay, so there are so many questions, so I am starting one by one. Whoever will join will check the previous one. So remember, this is okay, no issue. So this is the paper. It's from AITS paper, All India Test Series. Clear. And I think you guys have seen the paper quality also. Each and every single question is based on NCERT. So let's check one by one. My voice and video clear? My voice and video, everything is clear? Just tell me. My voice and video, everything is clear? My voice and video, everything is clear? Because it might take bit time, because total 90 questions are there and we have to discuss their details. So my voice and video clear? Okay. So chalo, the first question. First question, I'm going one by one. So every single question, whenever you have the paper in your hand, please mention the page number of the NCERT. You can see that specifically I have mentioned the page number. So the first question given from page number 8. So in this question you can see identify the correct match pair. So please answer me which option you have marked here. Please answer me which option you have marked here. Quickly. Quick, be fast. Identify the correct match pair. NCERT page number 8. From the NCERT page number 8, we have asked the question. So which options that you have marked? Please be quick, be fast. For every question, please be ready with your question paper. For every question, just be ready with your paper. Which one you guys have marked? Quickly tell me. First question, which one is marked? For the first question, which one you guys have marked? For the first question, which one you guys have marked? Please tell me. For the first question, which one you guys have marked? For the first question. Here the question given, which one is correctly matched? NCERT page number 8. Please sit with your question paper, and NCERT is not required right now, and listen my explanations. Majority of the question obviously as a single liner based, but question also given as a match the following pair, assertion reason based question, statement 1, statement 2 type question. So same as per the NEET pattern we have tried. to fix the paper. So for the first question, right answer is option number 1. For the first question, option number 1 is right. The correctly matched pair, it's option number 1. Okay, no explanation I think required for here. Now for question number 2, read the following statement and select the correct one. Read the following statement and select the correct one. So as you can see here, for the question number 92, all the statements are correct. All the statements, increase in mass and increase in number of the individual are twin character of the growth. Yes, obviously this is the correct character. In unicellular organism, growth and reproduction are synonymous. So obviously growth and reproductions are synonymous for the unicellular organism, and feel or response to stimuli is defining property of the living organism. This is also the right character. So option number 4 is correct for question number 92. I don't think, because these are direct NCERT question, and you guys can see this question came from old NCERT book, page number 4. So I don't think any discussion is required for this particular question. Okay, every page number I have mentioned it. Every single page number I have mentioned here. Now, question number 93. So, multiple statement based question, and here we have to identify select the correct options. Select the options with all the incorrect statements. So here we have to identify the incorrect one. Which one is a incorrect statement? And you guys can see page number 6. We have given the question from page number 6. NCERT page number 6 question came. So please tell me which options you guys have selected for question number 93. Be fast. Quick. I'm not getting answer. So please be fast. Question number 93. So as we go from the kingdom to the species, the number of common character goes to increasing. Goes on increasing. Is it the right character? As we go from the kingdom to the species. So number of common character, is it increasing? Quickly tell me. I'm not getting answer. Quickly tell me. We have to find the incorrect one. So statement number 1 is correct. Statement number A is correct. Is it or not? Statement number A is correct. Is it or not? So wherever the statement number A present, understand that wherever the statement number A present, that option is not correct. Wherever the statement number, so statement number A present in option number 1, in option number 3, and option number 4. Understand that. So here the correct option, incorrect statement in the B, C and D. Understand that we have to solve the bio paper within 45 minutes. That I told you earlier also. We have to solve the bio paper within 45 minutes. As much as time we can save, it will be helpful for us for physics and chemistry portion. So as we go from the kingdom to the species, the number of common character goes increasing. And based on this line, as per I remember, 2-3 question asked based on this particular area. So remember that. So wherever the option A is present, that means statement number A is present, rest of the statement are incorrect. So in option number 1, option number 3 and option number 4, in all of these 3 area, here A statement given. So that is first, second and first, third and fourth is not correct. Second option is correct for the question number 93. Okay. Acha. I don't think that any other explanation required, because you guys can see the question directly came from the NCERT page number 6. Okay. Now question number 94. Question number 94. Please tell me which area you guys have marked. Question number 94. Quick, be fast. Question number 94. We have to end. Total 90 questions are there. So we have to be a bit fast. Question number 94. Which question you guys have marked? Which options you guys have marked? Which of the following is not correct for the prions? Which of the following is not correct for the prions? Which of the following is not correct? Is not correct for the prions? Tell me which of the following is not correct for the prions. So, not correct. Be sure about that. From NCERT page number 21, this question came. NCERT page number 21, this question came. And option number 3, because correct statement is I'll come that part. Himaza, I'll come on that part later, because here AITS question answer discussion is going on. We have to complete the 90 question today. So if you attend my other session, that during that time I will come on the Wednesday also on the live sessions. On that time I'll discuss on that part. So which of the following is not correct for the prions? Here first statement, second and the fourth statement is correct. But remember that the third statements, it's actually not correct. Okay. Here it's not occur for the humans. This disease occur for the cattles. Remember that. That disease occur for the cattles. Remember. Okay. Option number 3. Cause the bovine encephalopathy, it's not in the humans, that in the cattles. Remember that. That occur in the cattles. For question number 94, option number 3 is not correct. So not correct asks here. So option number 3 here. Clear? Done? Now question number 95. Question number 95. So here we have to match. Here we have to match the column. So column 1 and column 2 given. Column 1 and column 2 given. So easily, these are very easy paper. Remember that. Very easy paper. So rust fungi is a Puccinia. In my question, it's actually given wrong. Totally given as a matching one. But rust fungi Puccinia, I think in your paper, it will be present in the column 2 in the second. Column 2 in the second. So A with the second was present in only one option. Here, by mistake, when I typed, all are correct. Remember that. All are correct. Here I have mentioned. But in your paper, that was given in a different columns. Okay. Numbering was a bit different. So during the typing, there is a mistake here. But remember that this question asks from the page number 18. Remember that. This question asks from the directly page number 18 of the NCERT. Page number 18 of the NCERT. Okay. So A, rust fungi, that is Puccinia, that is directly given in the A with the 2. So option number 3 is correct. If you check your paper, option number 3 is correct here. Now, question number 96. Question number 96. Which of the following option is not correct about the given diagrammatic sketch? Which of the following is not correct here? So this question came from NCERT page number 15. This question came from page number 15. Page number 15, this question came. So majority of them are freshwater organism. Remember that. Which of that one is not correct? We have to identify which one is not correct here. Which one is not correct here? So majority of them are freshwater organism. So this is correct. Their pigments are identical to the higher plant. That is also correct. Okay. With the picture, I think you guys can identify this is the picture of Euglena. This is the picture of Euglena. When deprived of sunlight, they behave like the heterotrophs. That is also correct. Large amount of cellulose present in their pellicles. Large amount of cellulose present in their pellicles. Is it their pellicle are composed of the protein rich? Remember that. Protein rich. So protein rich. So here option number 4 is not correct. Their pellicle, it's actually protein rich. So here cellulose given. So this is not the correct option. Question number 96. This is not the correct option. Remember that. Question number 96, option number 4 is not correct. Okay. Is it clear? I am going to the next one. I am going to the next one. I am going to the next one. Question number 97. Tell me. Question number 97. Which one you guys have marked? Question number 97. Which one you guys have marked? Question number 97. Which one you guys have marked? Question number 97. Question number 97. Which one you guys have marked? Choose the incorrect option with the reference of Archibacteria. With the reference of Archibacteria. Okay, with the reference of Archibacteria. Remember, with the reference of Archibacteria. You are talking about option number 3. You are talking about option number 3. You are talking about option number 3. Please do not disturb here. Himaza, we are discussing about a AITS paper. So please do not disturb here. I told you that I will come on the Wednesday live. During that time, if you present, that time I will answer. So, question number 97. Choose the incorrect options. Incorrect option they are talking about. Choose the incorrect options. Obviously, first statement is right. Second statement is right. But if we see in the third statement, so methanogens are present in the gut of several carnivorous animals. This is not carnivorous animal. Here it need to be herbivorous animal. Remember that. Here it need to be herbivorous animal. So in that case, option number 3 is incorrect, but here it's a correct options. Very easy. Very easy. Here carnivorous given, but it need to be herbivorous. Remember that. Here it need to be herbivorous. Clear? Okay. Now question number 98. Tell me which one you guys have marked. Question number 98. Which one you guys have marked? Identify the class of fungi in which the mycelium is branched and septate and choose the correct option. This one given from page number 18. This one given from page number 18. This one given from page number 18. So, branch and septate. Another is aseptate. So, which one you guys have marked? Tell me. Which one you guys have marked? Quick, be fast. Everyone be fast. Be fast. Tell me which one you guys have marked. One is branch and septate. Another is aseptate. Which one you guys have marked? Be quick, be fast. Tell me. Be quick, be fast about that. Send me the answer. Which one you guys have marked? Which one? Tell me this. Which one is the correct option here? So remember that. Okay, some says like option number 4. But here, yes, Bhumi, the discussion is going on one AITS paper. If you follow my Telegram channel, you will get the paper tonight. So AITS mock test paper 1 based on the unit 1 discussion going on. So as you guys are marking, someone have marked maybe option number 4, someone maybe have marked option number 3. But on that question you guys can challenge. Remember that. On that question you guys can challenge because phycomycetes, remember that. Phycomycetes, that comes under the aseptate. Phycomycetes, that comes under the aseptate. Remember that. Phycomycetes, it's a aseptate. But Basidiomycetes, Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes. These are branch and septate. These are branch and septate. Remember that. Whatever I have written here, Basidiomycetes, Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes, they are branch and septate. So in in the two option that is given, so it might be option number 3 and option number 4. On that question you guys can challenge. Remember that. on that question you guys can challenge, you will get the marks. Whoever have marked in option number 3 and option number 4, they will get the full marks here. So aseptate and branch and septate I have written here. Please remember, this is very much important. Mycelium is aseptate in case of the Phycomycetes, and in case of the Basidiomycetes, Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes, they are branch and septate. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you? Clear? So I'm going to the next one. 98. Question number 98. So tell me. Question number 98. Very easy. Question number 98. Very easy. Very easy. Algae. Algae is a. Which one correct? Quickly tell me. Algae is a. Algae is a. Question number NCERT page number 21. This question given from question number page number 21 of NCERT. Page number 21 of NCERT. This question given. Which one is the correct answer? Bhumi, try it. Bhumi, if you present, try it. Which one is the right answer here? Which one is the right answer? Which one is the right answer here? Tell me. Column 1, column 2. If you match 1, I think you will get the answer. If you match only 1, you will get the answer. Try it, try it. Quickly tell me. Which one is the correct answer here? Which one is the correct answer? So algae will match with, algae with match with, algae with match with phycobiont. Remember that. Algae with match with phycobiont. Algae with match with phycobiont. So A with the 2. A2 present in only option number 3. Remember that. By one area that I told you in my earlier live also. How we have to handle match the following column. How we have to handle the match the following column. That in that way. We will check one, if match, then our option get. We will get our options. Remember that. Very easy to do the match the following column. That will save our time. We will not go for all out. We will not solve each and every single thing. Okay. So fungi is a mycobiont. Fungi is a mycobiont. Is it or not? Lichen is a symbiotic association. Lichen is a symbiotic associations. Okay. So option here. Which one correct? Obviously option number 3 is correct. Option number 3 is correct. Chalo, I'm changing that one. Question number 100 came from NCERT page number 13. Question came from NCERT page number 13. Remember, question came from NCERT page number 13. This question came from NCERT page number 13. So tell me, quick, be fast. Be fast. Which one? Which option is correct here? Question number 100. So we have to read the statement and we have to see the correct one. Which one is the correct? Which one? Question number 100. Question number 100. Question number 100. Yes, yes, very good. Very good. All the statements here. All the statements are correct. So all the statements are correct given in the option number 3. All the statements are correct here. So option number 3 is the correct. Very good. All the statements are correct. So option number 3 is correct for question number 100. Now question number 101. Question number 101. Question number 101. Tell me. Question number 101. Assertion reason based question. Assertion reason based question. Which one is correct here? Which one is correct here? Question number 101. Tell me. Question number 101. Which one is correct? Question number 101. Which one is correct? Question number 101. Which one is correct? Be fast, be fast. Question number 101. Which one is correct? Question number 101. Which one is correct? 101. I am asking from 101. Tell me. Question number 101. Which one is correct? Be fast, everyone. Be fast. Question number 101. Which option is correct? Assertion reason based question. Assertion reason based question. Be fast. Be fast. Question number 101. Which option is correct here? Which option is correct here? Yes. First one. First one. Assertion is also right. Reason is also right. And reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Remember that. Reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So option number first is correct. Option number 1 is correct. Yes. Good, everyone. First option is correct here. This question you guys can see came from the page number 8. Page number 8. And the way that I have discussed, I think you guys have remembered. Okay. So seed habit related these things already I have discussed in my class. Okay, done. Complete. Now, question number 102. Question came from gymnosperm. So here it's given that in gymnosperm, the male and the female gametophyte do not have the independent free living existence. Obviously, this is correct. Assertion is correct. Reason, all gymnosperm exclusively show the heterosporous in nature. Obviously, exclusively heterosporous in nature. Is it or not? But reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Remember that. Reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So, option number 2 for question number 102, option number 2 is correct. For question number 102, option number 2 is correct. Remember that. Both statements are individually correct. But the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. All gymnosperm exclusively show heterosporous in nature. Heterosporous means both the spore are different time. So there is no such relation with the male and female gametophyte and their living existence. So there is no such relation, but individually both the statements are correct. Clear? Okay. Here option number not 1, option number 2 is correct here. Individually they are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Is it clear all of you? Now I am going to the next one. Question number 103. Quick, be quick. Which of the following plasmogamy is immediately followed by karyogamy? In which of the following the plasmogamy is immediately followed by the karyogamy? Where the plasmogamy is immediately followed by the karyogamy. Which option is correct here? For question number 103, which option is correct here? Question number 103, which option is correct here? Be fast. Question number 103, which option is correct here? Question number 103. Which option is correct here? Be fast. Everyone, question number 103. Which option is correct here? Which option? Okay, option number 1. Remember that. Option number 1, Mucor is the member of Phycomycetes. Remember that. Mucor is the member of Phycomycetes. But if you see these Aspergillus, Stylago and Puccinia, remember that, for them they have the dikaryotic stage. No, dikaryon. Remember that. No, it's not option 2, option 1. Mucor, option 1. So, this plasmogamy and karyogamy. For these three I am talking about. Plasmogamy and karyogamy are separated by dikaryotic phase. Remember that. For these three, plasmogamy and karyogamy is separated by the dikaryotic phase, but Mucor have the plasmogamy immediately followed by the karyogamy. So Mucor is the right option for question number 103. Come, one-liner question, very easy. Which one? Which option is correct here? Creeping green branch filamentous stage. Green branch filamentous stage. Which one? Question number 104. For question number 104, tell me, which one is correct here? Creeping green branch filamentous. Which one? Be fast everyone, be fast. Try it quickly, try it. Very easy. Very easy stage. Very easy stage. Question number 104. Question number 104. Right answer. Question came from page number 30. Question, yes, good. Protonema stage. Yes, protonema stage. Yes, protonema stage. Very easy. Protonema stage. Remember that. Yes. Right. Protonema stage. Clear? So I am not going to the prothallas, photosynthetic sporophyte. I am not going with the gamma cup. So I think you guys know about that part. Okay, I think you guys have the concept regarding this. So direct line given from the NCERT page number 30, creeping, green and branch filamentous stage of the moss is known as protonema stage. Okay. Next, another assertion reason based question. Assertion reason based question. Assertion given, quickly study. Assertion given that the spread of living pteridophyte is limited and restricted to the narrow geographical region. Obviously, is it or not? Obviously, it is restricted to the narrow geographical zone. Okay. Protonema, reason, protonema is required moist, damp, shady place to grow and need water for the fertilization. Obviously, protonema stage required this, and that's why pteridophytes are limited to the restricted narrow geographical region. Remember that. That's why pteridophytes are restricted to the narrow geographical region. So, reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So, for question number 105, option number 1 is correct. For question number 105, option number 1 is correct. Remember that. Question number 105, option number 1 is correct. Clear? So, I'm going to the next one. Acha, just tell me, my video and everything clear? My voice, video, everything clear? My voice and video, everything is clear? Just tell me. My voice and video, everything is clear or not? Please tell me. My voice, video, everything is clear or not? Quickly. My voice and video, everything clear or not? Properly audible, properly visible? Properly audible, properly visible? Next question came from page number 26. So please tell me, my voice and my video is properly audible and visible. Okay. So brown algae. The brown algae vary in color from olive green to the various shade of brown depending upon the amount of. So here they are asking about the pigments. Which pigment is present? Which pigments present? Which pigment present in brown algae? Which pigments present in the brown algae? Question came from page number 26. Question came from page number 26. Tell me. Question came from page number 26. Which pigment is present? Quick. In brown algae, which pigment is present? In brown algae, which pigment is present? Fucoxanthin. Remember that. Fucoxanthin present. Now, chlorophyll A, C and phycoerythrin, they are mostly photosynthetic pigment. Obviously, they are maximum present on the green plants. Remember that. Chlorophyll C, chlorophyll A, phycoerythrin, phycocyanin. Okay. Carotenoids. Within the carotenoids, carotene and xanthophylls are there. So they are mostly found in the green plants as a green plant photosynthetic pigments. Clear? Remember that. So correct options is fucoxanthin. Is it clear? Yes, fucoxanthin. Option number 1. Option number 1. Yes, good. Next, question number 107. Next, question number 107. Which of the option is not related with Mertensia? Which one is not related with the Mertensia? Again, another question from Plant Kingdom, page number 29. Which one is not related? Which options is not related with the Mertensia? Which option is not related with the Mertensia? Tell me, which option is not related with the Mertensia? Which option is not related with the Mertensia? Which option is not related with the Mertensia? Question number 107. Question number 107. Obviously, gametophyte depend on the sporophytes. Is it na? Gametophyte depend on the sporophyte because for Mertensia, the sporophyte depend on the gametophyte. Is it or not? Here the sporophyte, they depend on the gametophyte. Is it not? Sporophyte, they depend on the gametophyte. Sporophyte depends on the gametophyte. Is it or not? Clear? So option number 3, gametophyte depend on the sporophyte, that is not related with the Mertensia. So option number 3 is correct for this question number 107. Remember that. The sporophyte, that is not, sporophyte is depend on the gametophyte. So it's a 3, not 1. Remember that, not 1. Please be sure about that. Okay, I'm going to the next one, question number 108. Question number 108. Question number 108. Now identify the correct statement from the following. From the following with the respective of gymnosperm, page number 32. From page number 32, this question given. From the page number 32, this question given, that identify the incorrect statement. Identify the incorrect statement. Identify the incorrect statement from gymnosperm. Question number 108. Which one is incorrect here? Which one is incorrect here? Tell me. For question number 108, which one is incorrect? Because incorrect given. Question number 108, incorrect given. First is correct. Second, also correct. Now, the stems are branch in pinus and cedrus or branch in cycas. Let me check with the original question. Question number 108. Sorry, here it's given as an unbranched stem in the question paper. Remember that. Here in the question paper, it is given as a unbranched. Here there is a typing mistake in my presentation. Here it's given as a unbranched. Okay, I am talking about the original question paper. There is a mistake in my paper here in the presentations. So in the original question paper, there is given that unbranched in pinus and cedrus and branch in cycas. So obviously that is the opposite one. No, it's the opposite. It's the opposite one. Remember that. This is the opposite one. Okay. Branch in pinus and cedrus. That is actually branch. They are branch. And this is unbranched. Clear? Clear? So option number 3 is not correct here. So here option number 3, incorrect statement is option number 3, incorrect one. Remember that. Incorrect one is option number 3. Now I am going to the next one. 109. Question number 109. Question came from page number 29 and 32. Question given from 29 and 32. Question given from page number 29 and 32. Quickly study. So total 5 statement given, A to E. Select which of the options are correct. Which of the options are correct statement here. Which of the options are correct statement here. Which of the options is correct here. Which of the options are correct here. Which of the options is correct here. Which option is correct here. Please be quick, be fast. Be quick and be fast. Question number 109. Question number 109. Moss and lichen are the first organism to colonize in the bare rocks. We have to choose the correct one. So obviously statement A is correct. So statement A is presenting in the second option and in the fourth option. Second option and in the fourth option. So option number B, A1 and option number 3 is not correct. Option number 1 and 3 is not correct. Let's check the second statement. Second statement given, second statement that Selaginella is a homosporous pteridophytes. Selaginella is a heterosporous. Remember that. Selaginella it's a heterosporous. Selaginella is a heterosporous pteridophyte. So B is incorrect. B is incorrect. So if we check here, if we decide among the C and E, if we decide among C and E, we will get the answer. So let's check. The C is coralloid root in cycas have the VAM. Coralloid root in the cycas have the VAM. Coralloid root in the cycas has the VAM. Is it? Coralloid root in the cycas have the VAM? Is it? Coralloid root having the cyanobacteria? It's clearly written. Cyanobacteria, because back-to-back two example was given. One, that mycorrhiza was fungal and plant root association, example given in the NCERT as a pinus, and here as a coralloid roots, cycas root having the cyanobacteria association, and the line which is given in the NCERT, that is they fix the nitrogen. That is written in the NCERT. So C is wrong. So as the C is wrong, 4 is wrong. So option number 2 is correct. Remember that option number 2 is correct for question number 109. Question number 109. Now I am going to the question number 110. Question number 110. Tell me which one is correct. Question number 110. Question number 110. Here we have to select the correct one. Correct match. Which one is a correct? Which one is a correct here? Which one is a correct here? Tell me quick. Which one is a correct here? Which one is a correct here? Be fast. Which one is a correct here? Which one is a correct? Yes. Chalo. Check. Question number 110. Question number 110. Option number 3. Option number 3 is the correct match. Question number 110. Option number 3 is the correct one. Very good. Very good, everyone. Question number 110. Yes. Question number 110. It's a third option. It's a correct here. So I'm going to the next one because Kara, Hallworks, these are the direct line question. I'm not discussing anything for that in details. Acha. Chalo. Question number 111. Question number 111. Question number 111. So we have to select the correct one. Question came from Animal Kingdom, page number 46. Question came from the Animal Kingdom, page number 46 of NCERT, 111. So we have to select the correct one. Urochordates like Acidia salpadulium, notochord is present only in the larval tail. Yes, larval tail. So 1 is correct. 1 is correct is given in 1, 2, even in 4th also given. 1 correct. Acha, in all option 1 is present. In the all options 1 is present. In the all option 1 is present. Okay. Chalo, see the second one. In cephalochordates like the branchiostoma, notochord extend from the head to tail region and persist in the throughout the life. Second statement is also correct. Second statement is also correct. Check the 3. In chondrichthyes, mouth is located dorsally. So in chondrichthyes, mouth is located dorsally. Dorsal side, ventral side already we know. So it's denoted from the plane. The nearest side to the plane, that is the soil, that is the ventral side. Okay. Dorsal side means the high the distance is, that is the dorsal side. Okay. So is it dorsally located or ventrally located? Obviously ventral mouth. Remember that. So third statement is wrong. Third statement is given in the option number 1. Chalo, incorrect. All of these obviously incorrect except 4. So let's see about the fourth statement. Cyclostomata like petromyzon, scales, jaw, cranium, vertebral column are absent. Is it? In the fourth? Is it in the fourth? Fourth statement is correct or not? Fourth statement is correct or not? Tell me, fourth statement is correct or not? Question number 111. Is it or not? In cyclostomata, petromyzon, scales, jaw, cranium, vertebral column. Vertebral columns, jaw, cranium, vertebral columns are absent. Is it the? Is it the correct one or wrong one? In cyclostomata, Like petromyzon, scales, jaw are absent. Is it? Scales and jaw are absent. But cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Cranium and vertebral columns are cartilaginous. So which option is correct here? Which option is correct here? Which option is correct here? Tell me. Option number 2 or option number 3? Option number 2 or option number 3? In petromyzon, scales and jaw are absent. Remember that. Scales and jaw are absent. Scales and jaw are absent. Scales and jaw are absent. Remember that. But cranium, vertebral column, cranium and vertebral column, they are absent. Cranium and vertebral column, they are absent. Obviously not. They are present and they are cartilaginous. Is it or not? So that is the wrong one. So option number 2 is correct. Remember that. Option number 2 is correct. Cranium and vertebral columns, they are cartilaginous in nature. Okay, because they belong to the vertebrates. Cyclostomes belong to the vertebrates. So that is cartilaginous in nature. So third and fourth are incorrect. So option number 2 is correct here. Option number 2. Now 112. Question number 112. Please give me the response. Please give me the response. Yes, 2. So assertion and reason. Cartilaginous fish. Same again. Cartilaginous. Cartilaginous fish have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Is it correct statement or not? Question number 112. Question number 112. Cartilaginous fish have to swim continuously to avoid the sinking. Is it? Cartilaginous fish have to continuously swim to avoid the shrinking. Is it? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me which one, which option here? Which option here? Which option will be here? Which option will be here? Cartilaginous fishes, air bladder absent. Cartilaginous fishes, air bladder absent. That is the ostrictix character. And they have to swim continuously. Is it? They have to swim continuously to avoid the shrinking. Tell me. Question number 112. Question number 112. Cartilaginous fish have to swim constantly because they have to avoid the shrinking because they does not have air bladder. So option number 1 is correct. Remember that here reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Yes. Option number 1 correct. Option number 1 correct. Remember that. Ostrictix character, they have the air bladder. Ostrictix character, they have the air bladder. Convictis does not have the air bladder. Remember that. So option number 1 is correct. Reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Clear? Now, question number 113. Question number 113. Question number 113. No matter how much time will be required, I'll finish this one. Remember, 3 hour, 4 hour, whatever the time required, I'll finish this one. So identify the correct pair. Identify the correct pair. Which one is incorrect? 113. 113. Quick. Which one is incorrect here? Which one is incorrect here? Which one is incorrect? Question number 113. Which one is incorrect here? Which one is correct here? Which one is correct here? Sorry. Which one is correct here? Which one is correct here? Sorry. Which one is correct here? Which one is correct here? Question number 113. Penatula given as a sea fan. Is it sea fan or sea pen? Physalia, Portuguese man of war. Aurelia, sea anemone. Obviously not, na? Aurelia is a jellyfish. Aurelia is a jellyfish. Gorgonia is a brain coral. Obviously not. This is a sea fan. So option number 2 is correct. Yes, option number 2 is correct. Remember that. Option number 2 is correct. Question number 114. The first question number 114. Question number 114. Question number 114. Question number 114. Which one, sea fan? Which one? Which one you are talking about? Gorgonia is a sea fan. Remember that. Clear? Pennatula is a sea pen. Question number 114. A marine animals in which the notochord is persistent throughout the life and possess the cartilaginous endoskeleton among which of the following? A marine animal in which notochord is persistent throughout the life and possess the cartilaginous endoskeleton among the following. Which one? Which one they are talking about? A cartilaginous animal, the notochord is persistent throughout the life and possess the cartilaginous endoskeleton. Which one? Which one? Which one here? Question number 114. Question number 114. Question number 114, obviously, option number 3, Pristis. Obviously, cartilaginous, for the cartilaginous fish, na? For the cartilaginous fish. Yes, option number 3, Limby, is it correct? Yes, yes, Pristis. Pristis, yes. Done? Complete, 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 na? Now, question number 115. Question number 115. Question number 115. Quick, quick, quick. Question number 115. Which option is correct here? Question number 115. Question number 115. Quick. The members of the phylum Porifera are, the members of the phylum Porifera are, the members of the phylum Porifera are. Question number 115. Which one? Question number 115. The members of the phylum Porifera are, tell me. Question number 115. Question number 115. The members of the phylum Porifera are generally marine, is it or not? And generally marine, and they are mostly asymmetrical. They are mostly asymmetrical, is it or not? The phylum Porifera members are marine and mostly asymmetrical, and they are marine. So which option will be here? Tell me, quick, quick, be fast. Which option will be here? Which option will be here? Which option? Acha, in here na, it's silly mistake given. Here asymmetrical. Okay. Here typing mistake. This is asymmetrical. So option number 3 is correct according to the question paper. According to the question paper, option number 3 is correct. Remember, option number 3 is correct according to the question paper. Done. So I'm going to the question number 116. Question number 116. Yes, yes. Question number 116. Tell me question number 116. Which one? Question number 116. Statement 1. Aquatic annelids like the nereis process the lateral appendages parapodia. Parapodia. So aquatic animals, annelids like the nereis possess the lateral appendages parapodia. Okay. Nephridia helps in osmoregulation and swimming. Nephridia never helps in swimming. Remember that. Nephridia never helps in the swimming. Nephridia, it's a excretory organ. Osmoregulation plus excretion. Osmoregulation plus excretion. That is the function of the osmoregulation and excretion. These are the functions. Osmoregulation and excretion. These are the functions. Remember that, of the nephridia. So statement 2 is wrong. Aquatic animals, aquatic annelids like the nereis possess the lateral appendages like the parapodia. Is this 116 is correct or not? 116 is correct or not? Statement number 1, 116. Statement number 1 is correct or not? Statement number 1 is correct or not? Osmoregulation and swimming given, nephridia. Which one is correct? Statement A, question number 116. Question number 116. Question number 116. Question number 116. Statement number 1 is correct. Statement number 2 is incorrect. Statement number 1 is correct. Statement number 2 is incorrect. Acha, in my question na, here, whatever you can see in the screen, and if you check the question paper, here there is a bit silly mistake in the typing. Here's option number 3. According to your question paper, option number 3 is actually correct. I'm talking about according to your question paper. Option number 3 is incorrect. 3 is correct. Statement number 2 is incorrect and statement number 1 is correct. I'm talking about according to your question paper, because here there is a silly mistake in the typing. In the option number 3, if you check, it's given in your paper, statement number 2 is incorrect and statement number 1 is correct. That is for question number 116. Question number 116, option number 3. Now, question number 117. Question number 117. Tell me, question number 117. Quick, be fast. Question number 117. Question number 117. Question number 117. Quickly tell me, question number 117. Question number 117. Which one? Question number 117. Quick, be fast everyone. Question number 117. Yeah, 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. We have practiced this question. We have practiced this question early. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. It's a character of 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. It's a character of cyclostomata. Is it or not? A with the 2. A with the 2. A with the 2. A with the 2 or not? Question number 117. Question number 117. A with the 2. So A2 is present in only option number 2. A2 is present in only option number 2. So option number 2 is correct. Question number 118. Question number 118. Select odd among the given chordates with respect to the endoskeleton. Select the odd one among the given chordates with respect to the endoskeleton. With respect to the endoskeleton. Select the odd among the given chordate with respect to the endoskeleton. So which one is a odd? Which one is a odd? Which one is a odd here? Tell me. Which one is a odd here? Quick, be fast. Which one is a odd here? Odd is these 3. Odd is first, second and third is a odd. First, second and third, they belong to the same, because they are cartilaginous. Okay. But Clarius, it's a bony. Clarius is a bony. But Petromyzon, Scoliodon and Myxine, they are cartilaginous. But Clarius is a bony. Remember that. Question given from this respect. Question given from that respect. So here, for question number 118, for question number 118, option number 4. Question number 118, option number 4. Remember that. Question given, which one is cartilaginous, which one is bony in that respect. Okay. Because there are 2 types of endoskeleton, cartilaginous endoskeleton and bony endoskeleton. So bony is present in Clarius. Now question number 119. Question number 119. Question number 119. First, question number 119. The name of the phylum of diploblastic animal derived from the specialized types of stinging cell present in their tentacles. The capsule present in these cells is called, as a question number 119. Direct question of the NCERT. Nematocyst. Within the nidoblast cells, nematocyst is a special stinging cells which is present within the nidoblast cells, because nidoria came from the nidoblast cells because they have the nematocyst. So answer is nematocyst for the question number 119. Going to the next one, question number 120. I am going to the next one, question number 120. I am going to the next one, question number 120. Read the following statement. Yes, read the following statement. Read read the following features carefully with the respect of member, phylum, Annelida, and choose the options with only the correct features. We have to choose only the correct one, only the correct features. Question given from the page number 43. So we have to choose only the correct one. Okay, with respect to the phylum Annelida, quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Acha, here as I can see here that all the members are bisexual. For annelids, na, there are two things written in the NCERT, that earthworm, remember that, earthworm and nedis. Earthworm is a monoecious, that is written. Earthworm is a monoecious, okay, and nedis is a dioecious. Earthworm is a monoecious and nedis is a dioecious. Okay, so this statement number B is not correct. A, C, D correct. A, C, D correct is option number 3. Option number 3, no, not option number 4. Remember that, not option number 4. Remember that, not option number 4. Clear? Is it clear or not? Option number 3. Question number 120, option number 3 is correct. A, C and D. Now, next, 121. Question number 121 is this kind of question even came in the NEET paper also. A researcher found an organism during his voyage. On further examinations, he observed that the organism is unicellular and has a calcareous exoskeleton. The organism has 3 germ layer, that means triploblastic, and the foot is muscular, that means the mantle is present. Okay, the organism should be placed in the phylum of, obviously very easy, mollusca. Mollusca. Is it or not? Very easy, mollusca. Remember that. Very easy, mollusca. For question number 121, mollusca. Now, question number 122. Question number 122. Read the following statement. Statement 1 is given as a question given from the page number 7. So, families are characterized on the basis of the both vegetative and reproductive features of the plant species. Statement number 2 is given, with increasing in taxonomic hierarchy, there is a decrease in the number of common characters. Tell me, question number 122. Question number 122. Tell me, question number 122. Which option is correct here? Which statement is correct here? Statement 1, statement 2, is it correct or not? Question number 122, statement 1, statement 2 is correct or not? Question number 122. Question number 122. Yes, no, no, no. Yes, option number 1. Both statements are correct. Remember that. Both statements are correct. For question number 122, statement number 1 and 2 both are correct. So option number 1. Remember that. Clear? So I am going to the next one. Question number 123. Question number 123. Which group of organism in which reproduction is synonymous with the growth? In which group of organism reproduction is synonymous with the growth? In which organism reproduction is synonymous with the growth? In which organism, which group of organism in which the reproduction is synonymous with the growth? Question number 123 came from the old NCERT, page number 4. Yes, amoeba, bacteria and unicellular algae. Remember that, amoeba, bacteria and unicellular algae. Amoeba, bacteria and unicellular algae. So option number 1. Option number 1. Next, question number 124. Question number 124. Remember that, question number 124. Question number 124. Question number 124. Read the following statement. Question given from page number 20 and 21 of the NCERT. Lichen do not grow in the polluted areas. So we have to check the lines and we have to find out the correct one. So lichen do not grow in the polluted areas. That statement is correct. A is correct. So A is given in all options. B, viroids have low molecular weight DNA. Remember, viroid have RNA. Remember that they are composed of RNA. They are composed of RNA. Okay, viroids are composed of RNA. So wherever the B is present, that is the wrong. Viroids are composed of RNA. Acha, in the options in my here actually B was not present in the original question paper. B is not present in the original question paper. Remember that B is not present in the original question paper. So option number 2 is correct. Remember that because B statement is wrong. So wherever the B is present, that is all are incorrect. So question number 124, option number 2 is correct one. Question number 124, option number 2 is correct because viroids have given, it's given as a molecular weight or the molecular component is a DNA, low molecular weight DNA present, but viroids are composed of the RNA. Remember that. Clear? I'm going to the next one. Question number 125. Quickly tell me. Question number 125. Identify the correct class of fungi. Identify the correct class of fungi on the basis of the given statement. We have to identify the correct class of the fungi. So mushroom is one of the commonly known form of this class. Sex organ are absent because NCERT directly page number 18, this one given. Sex organ are absent, but plasmogamy is brought about by the fusion of two vegetative somatic cells of different strains or genotypes. Sexual spore are produced exogenously. So which one? Which one for question number 125? Question number 125. Answer is Basidiomycetes. Yes, good. Good. Yes, correct. Basidiomycetes. Clear. Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes. Done. Complete. Yes, Basidiomycetes. Clear. Now, question number 126. Which of the following is incorrect? Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Remember that incorrect match asking. Incorrect match. Chlamydomonas unicellular, Volvox colonial, Spirogyra filamentous. Ulothrix is a unicellular given, but this is filamentous. So Ulothrix. Option number 4. For question number 126. Question number 126, option number 4. Question number 126, option number 4. Remember that. Question number 126, option number 4. No. Chlamydomonas unicellular. Remember that. Chlamydomonas unicellular, Volvox colonial, Spirogyra is a filamentous. So Ulothrix. Option number 4 is incorrectly matched. Clear? Option number 4 is incorrectly matched. Remember that. I'm going to the next one. Question number 127. I have to go a bit fast because lots of questions are there. So question number 127. Algin and carragin can be obtained respectively from page number 26. NCERT page number 26. Algin and carragin can be obtained respectively from. Algin and carragin can be obtained respectively from. Algin and carragin can be obtained respectively from. Give me the answer. Give me quick. Be first. Algin and carragin. Algin and carragin. Question number 127. Yes. Lemvi good. Very good. Option number 2. Remember that. Option number 2. I'm getting the answer only from Lemvi. Yes. Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Correct. Option number 2. Question number 127. Yes. Option number 2. Option number 2. Algin and carragin obtained respectively from. Direct question given from NCERT page number 26. Remember, direct question given from NCERT page number 26. Next. I'm going to the next one. Question number 128. Question number 128. So from the 3 areas question given, page number 27, 29 and 32. Page number 27, 29 and 32. Page number 27, 29 and 32. Which of the following is wrongly matched? Which of the following is wrongly matched? Question number 128. Question number 128. Which of the following is wrongly matched? Wrongly matched. Which of the following is wrongly matched? Which one is wrongly matched? Tell me. Which one is wrongly matched? Which one is wrongly matched for question number 128? Question number 128. Quick. Everyone be quick. Which one is wrongly matched here? Be fast. Which one is wrongly matched? Yes. Here it's given as a multiflagellate. It's not multiflagellate. Bryophytes is not. No, not option 1. Remember that. Not option 1. Bryophyte is not multiflagellate. Here it's a biflagellate. See, these are the minute changes. In the eye also it will not, we will not able to see. Very minute changes are given here. Very minute changes are given here. So multiflagellates is not bryophytes. Bryophyte is a biflagellate. Remember that. Bryophytes is a biflagellate anthrozoids. Okay. Biflagellate anthrozoids. Clear? Done? Complete? Now, question number 129. Question number 129, page number 26. Question number 129 given from the page number 26. Question number 129 given from the page number 26. Quick. Be fast. Be fast. Tell me question number 126 given from the page number 26. 129, page number 26 of the NCERT. Tell me the answer. Quickly tell me the answer. Quickly tell me the answer. Be fast. Choose the correct statement about the algae. Choose the correct statement about the algae. Choose the correct statement about the algae. Question number 129. Here we have to choose the correct one. Correct one. We have to choose the correct one. Question number 129. Question number 129. Question number 129. We have to choose the correct one. Question number 129. Question number 129. See, if you see the first statement, here through the respiration, at least half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on the earth is carried out by the algae. Okay. What is given through the respiration? It's not respiration. Through the photosynthesis. Remember that. Through the photosynthesis. Through the photosynthesis. Through the photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide fixation through the photosynthesis. Okay. Second is given as the decreased level of dissolved oxygen in their immediate environment. The decreased level of dissolved oxygen in their immediate environment. So the decreased level of dissolved oxygen. So photosynthesis increase the oxygen level. Remember that. Photosynthesis increase the oxygen level. Okay. It increase the O2 level. So first statement, second statement is not correct. Next, third statement is given that chlorella, a unicellular alga rich in protein, is used for the food supplement even by the space traveler. Third is correct. Amak, is it clear or not? Amak, is it clear or not? You have mentioned option 2. They decrease the level of dissolved oxygen in their immediate environment. Actually, they increase the O2 level. Remember that. Increase the O2 level. Okay. Done. Correct. And here it's given as a correct or not? Here is given as a sargassum, na? It's not sargassum. In the paper, it's given as a selaginella. In the paper is given as a Selaginella. So Selaginella, it's not a algae. Remember that Selaginella, it's not a algae, it's a pteridophytes. It's not a algae, it's a pteridophyte. So option number 4 also not correct. Option number 4 also not correct. So option number 3 is correct. Question number 129. Option number 3 correct. Now I'm going to the next one. Question number 130. Tell me quick. Question number 130. Question number 130. Question number 130. Question number 130. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made up of inner layer of pectose and the outer layer of cellulose. Statement number 2 given that in green algae most of the members have one or more storage bodies called pyrenoids located in the chloroplast. Which one? Here for question number 130, yes. Yes. Statement 1 is incorrect. Remember that. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement number 2 is correct. Statement number 1 is incorrect. Statement number 2 is correct. So only statement number 2 is correct. Remember that. Clear? Only statement number 2 is correct. Option number 4. No. Remember that. Remember this. Question given as a question number 130. The green algae usually have a rigid cell wall. Made up of inner layer of pectose and the outer layer of cellulose. That is wrong. Clear? Now question number 131. Tell me quick. Question number 131. Member which of the following phyla exhibit radial or bilateral symmetry depending on their life cycle? Very easy question. Page number 45. Very easy question came. Page number 45. Question number 131. Members which of the following phyla exhibit radial or bilateral symmetry depending on their life cycle? Yes, Echinodermata. Remember that. Question number 131. Echinodermata. Now question number 132. Question number 132. Select the correct match. Same kind of page number 44 and 45. Question number 132. Sea urchin and sea hare is a Echinodermata. Fighting fish and sawfish is a Ostrictis given. Vulture and dolphin given as a Mammalia. Apple snail and tuxel is a Mollusca. We have to select the correct one. Correct match. Yes, correct match is option number 4, Mollusca. Good. Very good. So I'm going to the next one. Question number 133. Next, which of the following pairs of animals are similar to each other pertaining to the features stated against them? Which one? Tell me. Question number 133. Which of the following pairs of animals are similar to each other pertaining to the features stated against them? Which one? Tell me here. For question number 133. Which of the following pairs of animals are similar to each other pertaining to the features stated against them? So which one is a pair which is correct here? Yes, option number 2. There is no confusion. So wherever the confusion are not arising, I am going with a direct answer. Okay. Confusion are not arising in those part because crocodiles, you can see here, it's a 4-chamber of heart. Remember that. Crocodiles having the 4-chamber of heart. Wherever there is direct NCERT lines, direct NCERT question, I am not going to discuss that particular part. Clear? Because very easy. Done? Okay. Next. Question number 134. The excretory structure in the phylum whose members are mostly endoparasites in human and have dorsoventrally flattened body. Very easy. The excretory structure of the phylum whose members are mostly endoparasites mostly endoparasites and have dorsoventral flattened body. Whose? Question number 134. 134. The excretory structure of the phylum whose member are mostly endoparasites. Mostly endoparasites and have dorsoventral flattened body. Dorsoventral flattened body means they are the flatworm. They are the flatworm, and flatworm have their excretory system as a protonephridia or flame cells. Remember that, protonephridia or flame cells. Clear? Option number 3 is correct for question number 134. Yes, good. Next, question number 135, quick. Yes, question number 135. Fast, be fast. Question number 135. Question number 135. Quickly tell me. Question number 135. Question number 135, we have to find out the correct statement. Question number 135. Question number 135. Question number 135. Acha, here in my options there is a mistake. In option number 2 there is a first is 1, second is 2, then is 4. Then option number 3. Just check your paper. Here some question options is given as a wrong. Now it's okay. So which of the statement is correct here? Which of the statement is correct here? Tell me, which of the statement is correct here? Which of the statement is correct here? Which of the statement is correct? Which of the statement is correct here? Which of the statement is correct here? Which of the statement is correct here? Statement number 1. Statement number 1 is given as a stomochord is a similar structure to the nerve cord. It's not similar structure to the nerve cord. Remember that. It's not similar structure to the nerve cord. Okay. It's a structure similar to nerve cord. Okay. So it's not like that. Now, second statement, an excretory system is absent in echinoderms. That is correct. Remember that. Now, and in hemichordates, excretory organ is proboscis gland. That is also correct. So 2 and 3 correct. 2 and 3. Ascaris have a blind sac body plan. Ascaris has a blind sac body plan. That 4. So Ascaris has tube within the tube body plan. Remember that. Ascaris has tube. Ascaris have tube. Within tube body plan. And Nereis is a dioecious. So 2, 3 and 5 correct. 2, 3 and 5 in given in the option number 3. Option number 3. Remember, not 1. 2, 3 and 5. Option number 3. Now, 136. Question number 136. Be fast. Which of the following statement given below is not included the universal rule of nomenclature? I am not going to discuss. Very easy. Directly given from the NCERT. Which of the following statement is given below is not included in the universal rule of nomenclature? Which one? Question number 136. So generic name is immediately followed by the name of taxonomist which is described. Who described it? Generic name is immediately followed by the, it's not like that. First genus name, then species name, first genus, then species, then the author name come. First genus, then species, then the author's name come. Clear? Now question number 137. Question number 137. Quick. Question number 137. Identify the correct sequence of taxonomic categories in ascending order to the for the Homo sapiens. Identify the correct sequence of taxonomic categories in ascending order for the Homo sapiens. Quick. For the Homo sapiens, quick. For the Homo sapiens, ascending order. Ascending order. Question number 137. Let me check in the paper also. Yes. Okay. So question number 137. Yes. Good. Everyone good. Yes. Option number 3. Homidae, primata, mammalia, chordata. So chordata from the phylum to the class level. Remember. Homidae, that is the phylum level. Genus Homo, species Sapiens. Okay. Done. Now question number 138. Question number 138. Which of the following taxonomic categories are most common for Triticum and Magnifera? Which of the following taxonomic category? Direct, easy question. Question number 138 from NCERT page number 8. Question number 138 from the page number 8. Be fast. Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Quick. Be fast. Be fast. Be fast. 138. Question number 138. Question number 138. Question number 138. Yes. Only divisions. Only divisions. They are common with the divisions. And division related one question also given in the paper. Division related one question also given in the paper. Now question number 139. Quick. Question number 139. Question number 139. Question number 139. Be fast. Question number 139. Question number 139. Yes. Good. So, question number 139. Question given from the page number 17 and 18. No. You are wrong. So, albugo with match with. Albugo with match with. Let me check with the paper also. Acha. Here in my question, it's given as a wrong. Acha. A with the 3, B1, C2, D4. Acha. B3, C4, D the 1. There is a typing mistake here. So albugo with match with. Albugo with match with. Tell me. Albugo with match with. Third, the parasitic fungi on the mustard. The parasitic fungi with the mustard. Remember that. The parasitic fungi with the mustard. There is some option mistake here. So please check your paper. Now neurospora with 1. Fungi extensively used in the biochemical and genetic work. Okay. So A with the 3 and B with the 1. A with the 3 and B with the 1 is only in the second option. So second option correct. Remember that. Second option is correct. Clear? Second option. Question number 139 is a second option correct. Remember that. Clear? Question number 140. Question number 140. Question number 140. Tell me. Read the following statement. Read the following statement and answer the correct one. Here in the screen that you see here, this one given as a wrong. Achha, can anyone tell me that question number 140, because in my question paper, whatever I have, it's not visible properly. Is it in the question number 140, is it given only A and C or only A and E? For option number 4, is it given as a only A and C or only A and E? Tell me. For question number 140, option number 4 is given as a only A and E or only A and C? C given or E given? Which one? No, I'm talking about question number 140 in option number 4. A E given or A C given? C given. Okay. Chalo, C given here. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, which one is the correct option? Okay. No issue. So tell me which one is the correct option? Which one is correct here? Which one is the correct statement here? Mode of nutrition is photosynthetic. Mode of the nutrition is photosynthetic. Okay. And we have to go with the chrysophytes. Mode of the nutrition is photosynthetic. Mode of the nutrition is photosynthetic. Yes. Mode of nutrition is photosynthetic. Next, their body is not enclosed by the cell wall. Their body is not enclosed by the cell wall. Is it? Their body is not enclosed by the cell wall. That is incorrect. Okay. They are found in the fresh water as well as in the marine water. That is correct. Okay. So AC correct. AC correct is present in acha chalo. AC to even 2, option number 2 also present, and option number 4 is also present. Next, D, they float passively in water. They float passively in the water current. That is also correct. And the members are the chief producer of the oceans. That is also correct. So without B, everything is correct. Okay. A, C, D and E. Option number 2 is correct. Yes. Option number 2 is correct here. Option number 2 is correct. For question number 140, option number 2 is correct. Clear? Now 141. Now 141. Tell me. Choose the incorrect statement about the paramecium. NCERT page number 16. Choose the incorrect statement about the paramecium. Incorrect statement about the paramecium. First option given, autotrophic protozoan. Second statement given, actively moving organism because the presence of 1000 cilia, which also help the food to be stored into the gullets, has a cavity, that is gullet, that opens into the opens to the outside of the cell surface. Fourth is a ciliated protozoan. Which one? For question number 141. For question number 141, which one is the correct answer? Autotrophic protozoan. Remember, autotrophic protozoan. Autotrophic protozoan is the correct option. Yes, Ocean, you are correct. Autotrophic protozoan, that is the correct option. I'm going to the next one. 142. Question number 142. Question number 142. Question number 142. Question number 142. Don't check here. Here there is a mistake. Don't check here. These options are given in a wrong typing. So check your question. Ascomycetes is matched with. Ascomycetes is matched with. Ascomycetes is matched with. Ascomycetes is matched with Neurospora. Remember that. Ascomycetes is matched with Neurospora. Ascomycetes is matched with Neurospora. Phycomycetes is matched with Albugo. Okay. Basidiomycetes is matched with Eutilago. Is it matched with Eutilago? And Deuteromycetes is with the 1. So according to your question paper, which one is coming? Just check and match which one is coming here. A with the 2, A2 A with the 2. Here actually marking is given wrong. Remember that. Here also marking I have given wrong. So I think according to your question paper, it will come ascomycetes is 1 with the B, 1 with the B, 1 with the B present in the option number 1 and option number 4. Acha, phycomycetes 2 with the B. So for question number 142, option number 1 correct. Please check here, it's not given because here it's a wrong one, wrong orientation given. For question number 142, option number 1 is correct. Remember that. Okay. Discussion I have given. Question number 142, option number 1 is correct. Clear? Okay. Question number 143. Question number 143. Question number 143. Assertion and reason based question. 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 Okay, here scientist name given here, so that the virus could be crystallized and crystal consists of largely of proteins. Question number 143. This is the wrong one. Reason. Yes. This question conducted in the mock test. Yes, this question conducted in the mock test. Okay. Hard copy I will share in the group later. In my Telegram channel and in my WhatsApp channel, I will share the hard copy later. There is a mistake in my presentation. So I am checking the original question. This is one AITS paper. Okay. So in additions, reason is given. In addition, the two proteins, virus also contain the genetic material that could be either RNA or DNA. That could be either RNA or DNA. So here reason is, but the reason is true. Assertion is false and the reason is true. Limri, you will text me. I'll give you the paper. Acha. Question number 144. Question number 144. Now question number 144. Question number 144 directly came from NCERT page number 17. Which of the following criteria is not the criteria for the classification of the fungi? Which of the following is not the criteria for the classification of fungi? 144. Page number, question number 144. Which one? Which one? Yes, types of pigments. Good. Types of pigment. Good. Types of pigment. Types of pigment. Clear? Yes. Types of pigment. Right. Next. Question number 145. Choose the wrong match. Choose the wrong match. Question number 145. Choose the wrong match. 145. Choose the wrong match. Which one is a wrong? Which one is a wrong match here? Which one is a wrong match? Which one is a wrong match here? We have to identify the wrong one. Which one is a wrong? Remember, here it's given the slime molds, fruiting body formation during the favorable conditions. This is not during the favorable, during the unfavorable condition, during unfavorable condition. Remember that. During unfavorable conditions. So option number 4 is wrong one. Option number 4 is the wrong match. No, not option number 3, option number 4. Remember that. Not option number 3, option number 4. Clear? Euglenoid is a pellicle, that is the correct. Okay, rest all are correct. Rest all are correct. Here it's given as a fruiting body formation during the favorable condition, not during the favorable condition. It's during the unfavorable condition. Clear? Okay. Now question number 146. Question number 146. Quick, be fast. Question number 146. Question number 146. Tell me. Question number 146. Question number 146. Chlorella, Chlamydomonas and Paramecium amoeba were earlier placed with the plants and animals respectively. But after Whittaker 5 kingdom classification, they should be brought together into, they should be, yes, today's test. Yes, these are the answer key of today's test. Chlorella, Chlamydomonas, Paramecium amoeba were earlier placed with the plants and animal respectively, but after the Whittaker 5 kingdom classification, they should be brought together into, question number 146. They should be brought together into question number 146. This should be brought together into Chlorella, Chlamydomonas, Paramecium amoeba. They earlier was placed with the plants and animal respectively, but after Whittaker classification, they were brought together into question number 146. Remember, even the discussion was like that in my class, that amoeba, even in my syllabus, I have studied during my class 11 and 12 was a single cell animal, but that is not within your syllabus. Amoeba is a protista. Remember that. They bring into the protista. Option number, not option number 1. Remember that. Not option number 1. Option number 2 is correct here. Option number 2 is correct. Clear? Option number 2 is correct. Question number 146. Now question number 147. Question number 147. Question number 147. In Rhizopus mycelium is question number 147. Easy question. In Rhizopus mycelium is sinusitic. In Rhizopus mycelium is sinusitic, accepted and branch. Here it's given as a wrong. Okay, typing mistake there is a. I am talking about, check the original paper. It's a accepted. Okay, so option number 1 is correct. Sinusitic, accepted and branch. There is a typing mistake here in my presentation. So sinusitic, accepted and branch. That is the right answer. Okay. Okay. Okay or not? Why? Because I have to go fast, nothing to do. Because all the 180 question, all the 90 question, we have to do bit fast. And you are able to answer it. I saw that you are able to answer it, Lemvi. Okay. But here there is a typing mistake in my areas. So sinusitic, accepted and branch. Okay. Done. Everyone. Sinusitic, accepted and branch. Done. Yes. Acha, next. Smallest angiosperm. Quick. Yes, I'll give. I'll share. Smallest angiosperm is direct NCERT line question. Direct NCERT line question. So many times I discussed this in the class. Smallest angiosperm is yes, Wolffia. Smallest angiosperm is Wolffia. Done. Complete na? Complete. Lemvi, the information that I asked you to inform me, you have not informed. The information that I already asked you, that inform me, that through the WhatsApp that you inform me, na? Please inform me. So I can bring the cutoff video again. Clear? Lemvi, just the information that you shared me last times, please inform me. Is it correct or not? So I can bring the cutoff video. Because according to that, there might be cutoff changes. So Lemvi, please inform me that whatever you inform. Okay. Next, so smallest angiosperm is Wolffia. Clear? Next, 149. 149. Question number 149. 149. Question number 149. Next. Be fast. Question number 149. Quick. Be fast. Question number 149. Question number 149. Picture-based question. Picture-based question came from 25 and 28. 25 and 28. Picture-based question. Question number 149. Question number 149. Question number 149. Yes, option 2 is correct. Good. Option 2 is correct. Remember that option 2 is correct here. Okay. Very easy direct question came, so I am not discussing anything here. Question number 150. Question number 150. Match the following. Match the following. Don't check here because options are given wrong. Typing mistake. Typing mistake, so don't check in the here. Try to match the column. So check your paper. Which one is coming? Ficus with fucus with which one? Fucus with which one? Question number 150. Question number 150. It's a algae. Remember that. It's a algae. Yes. It's a algae. So A with 3. A is 3 is present in only one option. That is the third option. A is 3 present in only one option. Yes. Good. Algae. So it's only present in the one option, that is option number 3. Yes. Not required to go. Because by only one answering we'll get to know the answer. So A3 is only present in the option number 3 because other option A3 is not given. So option number 3. Yes. Good. I think you have answered that question very well. Na? Okay. Chalo, let's go to the next question. 151. 151. Statement number 1. At least a half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on the earth is carried out by the algae through the photosynthesis. At least a half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on the earth is carried out by the algae through the photosynthesis. This kind of question again given early. We have solved this one early. So at least a half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on the earth is carried out by the algae through the photosynthesis. Now statement number 2. Being photosynthetic, they decrease the level of dissolved oxygen in their immediate environment. So which option is here? 151. Question number 151. Question number 151. Question number 151. Photosynthesis increase the dissolved oxygen level. Remember that. Photosynthesis increase the dissolved oxygen level. Photosynthesis increase the dissolved oxygen level. Remember that. Photosynthesis increase the dissolved oxygen level. So statement number 2 is not correct. So only statement number 1 correct. Option number 3. Clear? Statement number 1 correct. Statement number 2 is not correct. So option number 3 is correct. Clear? Okay. Chalo, good. Next, again, another picture-based question. Complex post-fertilization development is found in the algae in which diagram? Directly picture-based question. Complex post-fertilization development is found in which algae in the given diagram? Where? Question number 152. 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 Which one? Yes, good. Picture number 1. Picture number 1 is correct for the question number 152. Now 153. Question number 153. Choose the incorrect one. Choose the incorrect one. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. The thallus. Choose the incorrect statement. The thallus of the liver roots is a dorsoventral and closely adapted to the substratum. Adapted to the substratum. Let me check what is given in the paper actually. Acha, here adapted given. It's not adapted. It's appraised. NCERT line. NCERT line. Wrong typing mistake here. Check your question. Check your question. Markensia sporophyte is not differentiated into food seta and capsule. Third option given in Markensia, spore are produced within the capsule by process of meiosis. Fourth given, asexual reproduction in liver root takes place by the fragmentation of thalli or gamete. So which one? For 153, question number 153, we have to choose the incorrect one. We have to choose the incorrect one. So Markensia sporophyte is divided into food seta and capsule. For Markensia sporophyte is divided into food seta and capsule. Is it? For Markensia sporophyte is differentiated into food seta and capsule. Is it? Which option correct? Which option is incorrect here? Markensia sporophyte is differentiated into food seta and capsule. Is it food seta and capsule for Markensia? Is it? Tell me only one answer that I get. For 153, you guys are saying 1. For which one? You guys answer is a 1 for which question number? 153. 153, is it? According to you, 153. Be fast. Only 2 answer I got as a option number 2. Yes, option number 2 is the correct option. Remember that. Incorrect statement is a option number 2, not for Markensia. Remember that, not for Markensia. Not for Markensia. Okay. The sporophyte is differentiated into food seta and capsule. Clear? Here it's given as a Markensia sporophyte is not differentiated. Is not differentiated. Clear? Okay. Differentiated into food seta and capsule. Yes. 153, 2. Next, 154. For 154, which of the following is not included gymnosperm? Which of the following is not included to the gymnosperm? Quickly, one-liner answer. Which of the following is not included in gymnosperm? Which of the following is not included in gymnosperm? Which of the following is not included in the gymnosperm? Which one? 154. Question number 154. Which one? Question number 154. Yes. Question number 154. Option number 1. Herbs. Yes, herbs. Question number 154. Option number 1. Okay. That is not included within the gymnosperm. Question number 155. Be fast. We'll try to end by 9:30. So 155. In oogamous type of sexual reproduction, which of the following statements are correct regarding the male and female gametes? In oogamous types of sexual reproduction, which statements are correct regarding the male and female gametes? Which one? Which one? Tell me. Which answer for question number 155? Question number 155. Yes, correct. Both A and D. A and D. Remember that. Which are correct? Both A and D. Option number 2. Yes, good. Good. Male gametes is a small and motile. Female gamete is a large and non-motile. Clear? Question number 155. Question number 155. Now going to the question number 156. Going to the question number 156. Okay. Yes, everyone will score good marks. Seats are limited. Remember that. Everyone need to be good in the answer. Clear. 129 ST seats for the MBBS. So fighting need to be there. Everyone will fight for the 129 seats. Chalo, come back. Come back into the question answer. All the characteristics of the members of the rhodophyce excepts. All are the characteristics of the members of the rhodophyce excepts. All are the members of the rhodophyce except which one? Question number 156. 156. Which option? Which option? All are the characteristics of the member of the rhodophyce except except tell me. Be fast. Yes, good. Yes, good. Yes, good. Algin is obtained from brown algae. Is it or not? Algin is obtained from brown algae, not for the red algae. Clear? It's obtained from the brown algae, not from the red algae. Done, na? Okay. Now, question number 157. Question number 157. Tell me, question number 157. Question number 157. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding to the bryophytes? Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the bryophytes? Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the bryophytes? First, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the bryophytes? Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the bryophytes? Question number 157. Question number 157. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Chalo, first statement is correct. Anthridium is surrounded by the sterile jacket which enclose moss of sperm and mother cell. Okay, we have to find out the incorrect one. Second is given as the female sex organ is flux sepate. That is correct. Next, given as a zygote undergo the meiosis immediately after its formation. Okay, this is incorrect. So zygote undergo to the not meiosis, that will be a mitosis to form sporophyte. Remember that zygote undergo not to the meiosis, to the mitosis to form the sporophytes. Anthrozoids are biflagellate, and if you check, anthrozoid is multiflagellate is given in the earlier options. All time now we have to cross check these kind of things. Remember that. Okay, anthrozoid is biflagellate, that is also correct. Okay, remember that. Earlier also we have solved one question is given in the paper that anthrozoid for the bryophytes is a multiflagellate, and I told you that is a biflagellate. See, the same types of option is given here. Question asked usually from the limited zone. Okay. 158. Tell me. Question number 158. All of the following animals are characterized by the moist skin and the presence of cloaca except. All the following animals are characterized by the moist skin and the presence of cloaca except. They are talking about very easy. Presence of cloaca is only in one class. Which one? 158. Question number 158. Very easy. Very easy. Okay. We have solved the PYQ regarding that. This is a flying fox. Rest all belong to the amphibia. So option number 4. Why option number 3? Why? All the following animals are characterized by the moist skin and the presence of the cloaca, except which one do not have this cloaca and the moist skin? Flying fox. Option number 4. You guys have done the mistake, maybe, I don't know. Clear? Okay. Done now? I'll go to the next one. Clear or not? Pteropus already we have practiced in the net lagging. Okay, no issue. But remember that there is a Pteropus related information or MCQ we have practiced earlier. Okay. So question number 158, it's a option number 4. Now, in which of the following groups all animals are monoecious? In which of the following groups all animals are monoecious? In which of the following groups all animals are monoecious? Where all animals are monoecious? Tapeworm, Nereis, Peritima, tapeworm, earthworm, ascaris, tapeworm, earthworm, starfish, Peritima, sepia. Tell me question number 159. Question number 159. Question number 159. All are monoecious. Nereis is a dioecious. Remember that. Nereis is a dioecious. Okay. Ascaris also sex separated, dioecious. Ascaris also dioecious. Starfish also dioecious. Okay. Sepia also dioecious. So option number 2. Remember, Nereis, Ascaris, starfish and sepia all are dioecious. So option number 2 is correct here. Option number 2 for question number 159. Option number 2 is correct. Now, question number 160. Question number 160. Tell me, which of the following statement or the phylum correct for the following phylum Mollusca? Which of the following statement is correct for the phylum Mollusca? Question number 160. Very easy. Correct statement we have to identify. Correct statement. Question number 160. We have to identify the correct statement for the phylum Mollusca. Which one? Tell me. Which one? Here, which statement is correct? Which statement is correct? See, yes. Option number 4 is correct. Why? I have written here. Check. We have to choose regarding the phylum Mollusca. So the space between the visceral hump and the mantle is called as a mantle cavity. Remember that. There we have to choose the correct one. Why it's a 2? Why it will be 2? Because molluscan body to not segmented na. Molluscan body is unsegmented. Remember that. Arthropod and annelids body it's segmented, but mollusca's body it's not segmented. Okay, it's a unsegmented for mollusca. So here to given as a segmented. That's why I have marked. And those who have marked as a option number 3, check here. Feather-like gills have only respiratory function. It's not only. It has respiratory and excretory functions. Okay, feather-like gills having the respiratory and excretory functions. Okay. Clear? The anterior head region has the sensory tentacles. That is the correct option. Question number 160, option number 4. 160, option number 4. Now, 161, tell me. Question number 161. Statement 1, statement 2. Statement 1 is given as a nidoblast of tentacles are used for the anchorage defense for the capture of prey. Is it the correct statement or not? Correct statement or not? Correct statement or not? Is it the correct statement or not? Quick, be fast. Tell me question number 161. 161, yes, statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is correct. Nidoblast of tentacles are used to encourage defense for the capture of prey. But in the statement number 2 is given, not the assertion. Assertion reason is not given here. Statement 1 and statement 2. Cnidarian exhibit tissue level. Cnidarians exhibit tissue level of organization and are triploblastic. Is it triploblastic or diploblastic? Cnidarians are diploblastic. Remember that. Cnidarians are diploblastic. Cnidarians are diploblastic. Remember that. Cnidarians are diploblastic, not the triploblastic. Cnidaria, Ctenophora, they are diploblastic, not triploblastic. Okay. Option number 2 is correct for question number 161. Now, question number 162. Question number 162. Quickly. Incorrectly match. Incorrect match. Okay. Incorrect match. Question number 162. Incorrect match. Which one is incorrect? Question number 162. Question number 162. Incorrect match. Which one is incorrectly matched? 162. 162. Chameleon. Yes, chameleon is non-poisonous. Remember that. Non-poisonous. Chameleon is non-poisonous. That is not correctly matched. Okay, this is the incorrect one. Chameleon. Question number 163. Tell me, question number 163. The teeth are modified into the placoid scales and backwardly directed. Very easy. Very easy. Question number 123. Question number 123. 163. Question number 163. Question number 163. Which one? Question number 163. Yes. Yes. Good. Good. This is ostrichthyes. This is also ostrichthyes. This is chondrichthyes. And this is cyclostomata. And for the chondrichthyes, we know their teeth is modified into the placoid scales. No. Why option 4, Limbi? Why option 4? Option 2. Remember that. Option 2. Done. 164. Question number 164. Question number 164. Select the incorrect match with the reference of animals and their respiratory organ which participate in the gaseous exchange. Question number 164. Okay. 164. Which one? Which one? Nah. Why I'll make the video for safe score for mock test 1? There is no safe score. Safe score for NEET 2026 is a 500 plus. That I can say. While I'll make the video for safe score. There is no safe score. Safe score for NEET 2026 target for 500 plus. Clear? Okay. Select the incorrect one. Select the incorrect one. Which one is incorrect with their gaseous exchange? Okay. Which one is incorrect? Which one is incorrect? Select the incorrect one. Animals and their respiratory organ which participate in the gaseous exchange. Question number 164. Question number 164. Which one is incorrect here? Which one? Incorrectly match. Which one is incorrectly match? Remember that it's a Citicula parrot. It's a Citicula parrot. They have lungs. They have lungs. Birds. Their respiration is by lungs. Okay. And the air sac is connected to the lungs as a supplement respiration. Option number 4. Option number 4. Reticula, air sac. That is a wrong one. They have their lungs. Clear? And the air sac is connected with the lungs as per their supplement respiration. Clear? Question number 165. Select the set of animals who are diploblastic, radially symmetrical and acylomate. Select the set of animals which are diploblastic, radially symmetrical and acylomate. Don't make tukka every time. We understand the concept. Select the set of animals which are diploblastic, radially symmetrical and acylomate. Which one? 165. 165. For question number 165, yes. Option number 2. They are radially symmetrical, diploblastic and acylomate. Clear? Option number here. Option number 2. Clear? Option number 2. Question number 165. Acha, here though it's Physalia. Okay, option number 2. Option number 2. Done? Done or not? Complete? Complete? Next. Question number 166. Question number 166. Question number 166. Among the X, an animal X belongs to the class whose name refers to their creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. Very easy. And has three main and two ventricle. And has three. Question number 166. Has two atria. Has two atria. Remember that. Two atria. And two ventricles. Identify the X and select the correct options. So has two atria. Sorry. Has three atria. Sorry. Has two atria. Not three. Two atrium and two ventricle. Two atrium and two ventricles. True atrium and true ventricle. 166. 166. Both the atrium present, both the ventricle presents. Both the atrium presents, both the ventricle present. Yes. Crocodilus having the fourth chamber of heart. Crocodilus having the fourth chamber of heart. Although reptiles, exceptional reptiles having the fourth chamber of heart, that is crocodiles. Done na? Question number 167. Question number 167. One example of animal having a set of dual carbon dioxide fixation on the earth is carried out by the algae. Question number 167. No, here it's given as a typing mistake, but check the question number 167. Question number 167. One example of animal having a single opening. This entire question is wrong, okay? This entire question is wrong. This entire question is wrong, I think. No? This entire 167 question is wrong. Entire question is wrong. 167. I think it's not there in your copy, no? Question number 167. Just check. One example of animal having a single opening to outside that serve as a function of both mouth as well as anus. Both mouth and anus. One example of animal having a single opening to outside. Single opening to outside. Okay. That serve the No. Here it's a typing mistake. Here you can see it's a typing mistake in my presentation. Typing mistake in my presentation. So just check your copy. One example of animal having a single opening to the outside, that serve the function of both mouth as well as the anus. Which one? Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Which one? Option given as a salpa, penatula, apis and cucumaria. Which one? No. Why it's apis? How it will be apis? Apis indica, it's a... How it will be possible apis? Which one? Which one? For question number 167. 167. Which one? Which one? Phylum Nidaria. Remember that. Phylum Nidaria. Phylum Nidaria. So which one is a phylum Nidaria? Penatula. Penatula is a Nidaria. So for question number 167, option number 2 is correct. Remember that. Question number 167, option number 2 is correct. Clear? Here the question is given as a wrong. But actually if you see your paper, so according to that paper, question number 167, option number 2 is correct option. Clear? Now question number 168. Question number 168. Select the following statement and read the following statement and select the incorrect one. Read the following statement and select the incorrect one. Quick. Only 12 question is pending. So be quick. Which one? Question number 168. We have to identify the incorrect one. Which one is the incorrect? Which statement is incorrect? Question number 168. Acha, here not cell. Here it's given in the paper as a self. Check that. Here it's given as a self. This one given as a self. So which one? Option number 3 is the incorrect one. Option number 3. All organism from prokaryotes. Question number 168. All organism from prokaryotes to the most complex eukaryotes having the cell consciousness. This one is a wrong statement. Remember that. This one is a wrong statement because self-consciousness is a trait that is not observed in all organisms. Self-consciousness is a trait that is not observed in all organisms. Remember that. So here the incorrect one for question number 168, third option. Question number 169. Dikaryon formation is a characteristic features of, already I told you, already it's there. Already it's done in early questions. Dikaryon is a characteristic features of 169. Dikaryon is a characteristic features of ascomycetes and basidiomycetes. Remember, ascomycetes and basidiomycetes. Okay, question number 170. The formation of sporangiospore and the conidia are respectively. The formation of sporangiospore and conidia respectively. The formation of sporangiospore and conidia are respectively exogenous and endogenous. Let me check the options again. Exogenous and endogenous, exogenous. Which one? 170. Question number 170. Tell me quickly. Quick. Be fast. For question number 170. Question number 170. Option number 4. Endogenous and exogenous. Endogenous and exogenous. Endogenous and exogenous. Okay. Sporangiospore is a endogenous. Clear? And Conidia is a exogenous. Clear? Done. Question number 171. Question number 171. Which of the following pairs of organs store the food in the form of a compound that is very similar to the amylopectin and glycogen? Amylopectin and glycogen. NCERT page number 27. Question number 171. 171. Which one? Which one? Question number 171. Quick. 9 question pending. Quickly tell me. Quick. Be fast. Everyone be fast. Be fast. 19 question is pending. 9 question is pending. Yes. Polysiphonophoda and Porphyra. Good. Limvi. Polysiphonophoda and Porphyra. Good. Done. 171. Done, na? Now, 172. 172. Identify the mismatch with the respective of reproduction of algae. Identify the mismatch. Identify the mismatch with the respect of reproduction of algae. 172. Which one? Which one is a mismatch here? Which one is a mismatch here? Question number 172. Which one? Which one? 172. Yes, option number 4. Option number 4. Spirogada is not oogamous. Remember that. Spirogada is not oogamous. Spirogada is a isogamous. Spirogada is a isogamous. Remember that. Spirogada is a isogamous. Done. Next. Question number 173. Question number 173. Question number 173. Which is the true about the numerical taxonomy? Which is the true about the numerical taxonomy? Question number 173. Which is true about the numerical taxonomy? Okay. Here the options are correct. Which is true about the numerical taxonomy? Question number 173. Which is true about the numerical taxonomy? Which one? Which one is true here? If you see in the first statement, second statement, then third is correct. But at the same time, it's written as at the same time only few characters are observed. Not like that. At the same time, many characters are observed. Remember that. Many characters are observed. So, for question number 173, option number 4 is correct. A, B and C is correct. Remember that. Question number 173, option number 4 is correct. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? At the same time, many characters can be considered. That is for 173. Clear? Done? Clear na? 173, option number 4. 173, option number 4. Now 174. 174. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the funaria? Which of the following statement is correct regarding the funaria? Regarding funaria, which one is correct? Which of the following statement is correct regarding the funaria? The sex organ are produced at the base of the leafy shoot. Okay. The spores are formed after the mitosis. A sporophyte consists of foot, seta and capsule. The protonema stage is upright, bearing the spirally arranged leaf. Question number 174. Which one is correct? Which one is correct here? Yes. Option number 3 is correct. Option number A, sporophyte consists of Food, seta and capsule. Very easy. Sporophyte consists of food, seta and capsule. Sporophyte consists of food, seta and capsule. Done? Clear? Done na? Chalo. Question number 175. Question number 175. After that, only 5 question is pending. So, which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Question number 175. Tell me. Which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Tell me this. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Total 4 chapter, unit 1, entire unit 1. Living world, biological classification, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Which of the following statement is correct? Tell me, quick. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Question number 175. Which statement is correct here? Related, one and one already problem we have solved. Related one problem already we have solved. Yes, protonema. Yes, protonema. Protonema is a green creeping branch filamentous stage in the moss. Option number 3. Question number 175. Option number 3 is correct. Remember that. Question number 173. Question number 175. Option number 3 is correct. Okay. Remember that. Done. Easy. Direct line given from the NCERT. Even we have solved one question related to that. Question number 176. Question number 176. In the following statement, what is false in the comb jelly? What is false related to the comb jelly? Which one is a false related to the comb jelly? Tell me. In the following statement, what is false related to the comb jelly? Question number 176. Question number 176. Which one is false? We have to identify the false one. Which one is a false? 176. Which one is a false here? Comb jelly means tell me. Jellyfish. And related one question we have practice in the PYQ. Okay, related one question we have practice in the PYQ. So there is a polyp stage. Sorry. No. This is wrong. Comb jellies. This is belongs to the Ctenophora. Remember that. This belongs to the Ctenophora. Remember that. This belongs to the Ctenophora. Comb jellies belongs to the Ctenophora. Clear? Which one is false? They are exclusively marine. Yes, correct. Radially symmetrical, correct. Digestion, both extracellular and intracellular. That is also correct. False is this. Reproduction, both sexual and asexual. Okay, comb jellies have only sexual reproduction. Comb jellies have only sexual reproduction. Only sexual reproduction. Comb jellies have only sexual reproductions. Clear? Done? Question number 177. Question number 177. Choose the false statement about the coelomate. Choose the false statement about the coelomate. Choose the false statement about the coelomate. Yes, Ctenophora. Choose the false statement about the Coelenterata. Choose the false statement about the Coelenterata. Choose the false statement regarding the Coelenterata. Choose the false statement regarding the Yes, yes. This is very easy question. Very easy paper. NCERT wise direct question came. Choose the false statement about the cylinder data. Which one is false? In part mock test, everyone score. But the thing is that in full mock test, it get complicated, na? We have to remember all the chapters. Chalo, choose the false statement about the cylinder data. Which one is a false? Which one is a false? False statement about the cylinder data. Which one is a false here? 177. Which one is a false statement? Which one is a false statement? Quick, quick, quick. Very easy. False statement for cylinder data. Yes. Here siliceous given. Corals have predominantly siliceous. It's not siliceous. Calcareous. Is it or not? Calcareous. It's not siliceous. It's a calcareous. Is it or not? It's calcareous. So the false statement is option number 2. False statement is option number 2. Clear now? Now question number 178. Question number 178. Select the incorrect statement about the class Conrictis. Select the incorrect statement about the class Conrictis. About the class Conrictis. Incorrect statement. We have to choose the incorrect one. We have to choose the incorrect one. Select the incorrect statement about the Conrictis. Incorrect statement about the Conrictis. Tell me. Incorrect one about the Conrictis. 178. Which one is incorrect? Yes, yes. Option number 3. Yes, gills are separated with the operculum. No. This is not. Gills are not separated with the operculum. Remember that. Gills are not separated with the operculum. Clear? Gills are not separated with the operculum. Remember that. This is the... Yes, yes. Operculum. Clear? Yes. Operculum. Operculum is wrong. Gills are not separated and with operculum that is not present in the Conrictis. That is the Ostrichthys character. Operculum, you know na, that in the fish rohu, if you open this area operculum, so you can see the gills. That is a character of Ostrichthys. In Conrictis, that is not present. Pharyngeal gill slits are present. Lots of gill slits are present in case of the Conrictis. Operculum is absent. Now question number 179. Question number 179. Proboscis gland in Bananoglossus is associated with. Proboscis gland in Bananoglossus is associated with. Proboscis gland in Bananoglossus is associated with. Proboscis gland in Bananoglossus associated with. Proboscis. Very easy. Direct question. Direct question from NCERT. Proboscis is associated with. Associated with. Option number 3. Yes, excretion. Option number 3, excretion. Yes, good. Good. Excretion. Yes. Now the last question. Last question. All of the followings are echinoderms. All of the followings are echinoderms except. 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 Which one? All of the followings are echinoderms except. Which one is? Which one? Yes, yes, yes. For last 2.5 hours, entirely in the morning, I was busy in the office, and later from 7 to 9:40. So entire hour I am just standing and discussing the question. because this year my target is entirely different. Because to discuss these things in the class, it will be difficult. So all of the followings are echinoderms except, tell me, you guys are sitting and you guys are answering the question. I'm just standing here for 2.5 hours. And just after the office hour, I have started my live. Okay, I'll make one cut-off video, na. I'll make one cut-off video for mock test 1. Clear? I'll make one cut-off video. It will be far better. Not the safe score. Safe score, I'll say 720. Good score for the mock test 1 is a 720 out of 720. Physics also easy, chemistry also easy, bio already easy. So better that I'll make one cut-off video for mock test 1. It will be very good. Okay, chalo. For question number 180. No, motivational talk. So I have no motivation right now. Entirely exhausted right now. Standing, you guys are sitting and you are asking for the motivational talk. You guys need to give me some motivations. 2 hour 40 minutes I am just standing. Okay, after the hectic schedule in the office. So just came and start my live. Okay, chalo come. Question number 140. Question number 140. Yes, see here. It's not the echinoderms. See here, it's not the echinoderms. It's a mollusca. Remember that. It's a mollusca. See here, it's a mollusca. Is it or not? See here, it's a mollusca. Scientific name, Aplysia. Scientific name, it's a Aplysia. Rest, sea lily, sea urchin, and sea cucumber. They belongs to the echinoderms. Okay, sea lily, sea urchin, and sea cucumber are the echinoderms. Remember that. Okay. So option number 3, that is a except, belongs to the mollusca. Okay. Done. All 90 question done. Complete. Paper very easy. Paper very, very easy. Clear? Okay. So next live will be on Wednesday. Next live will be on the Wednesday based on the Plant Kingdom. Next live will be on the Wednesday based on the Plant Kingdom. I am preparing some schedule. I'll update the schedule in my Telegram group. Clear? Next live will be on the Wednesday from 7:30, not from 7, from 7:30. 1.5 hour discussion will be based on the Plant Kingdom. And Friday we'll practice some PYQ based on the Plant Kingdom. General discussion, short notes will be from the Plant Kingdom. That will be the discussion topic on Wednesday from 7:30 p.m. I'll give the notificational update in my channel also. Tomorrow you will get the updates. And this PDF will be available in my Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. If you have the paper, so no issue. Those who have joined, and if you guys have not the paper, I'll give the updates in my Telegram channel and in my WhatsApp channel. Clear? So next live will be based on Plant Kingdom on Wednesday 7:30, and Plant Kingdom PYQ practice will be on the Friday 7:30 p.m. All will be in the evening schedule, not in the morning schedule. And these entire classes are based on the NEET. Remember that. Clear? We'll make a proper strategy no matter which coaching you are taking your preparations. We'll make a proper schedule. Animal Kingdom related all the portions done, because as this mock test is given today, we have taken today. So that's why I have discussed it today. So next live will be on the Wednesday 7:30 p.m. based on the Plant Kingdom normal discussion, and Friday 7:30 p.m. Plant Kingdom PYQ discussion. Okay, done. So thank you. Please check how much you are scoring. If you have attended this test, check in the night also. I'll share the answer key in the group. Okay. So thank you all. and good night. Limvi, please update the last information that you give me in my WhatsApp regarding the NEET 2025 one information that you told me. So I need that information. I have not received anything from your side. I told you to take the information and tell me. So till now I have not received anything from your side. So update me in my WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Having a good night. Good night. Check how much you're scoring. Okay. Bye.